Alright, so this is how it sounds when I'm talking and the visor's open and there's wind blowing. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. Cruising through the hood. Let's try with the visor down. How do I sound now? Muffled? Like I'm in a helmet? Oh, I found my high beams. Sweet. Bum 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 bum. I love this new Scorpion Exo jacket. It is amazing. It's distracting that I can see myself in the rearview mirrors, which is kind of weird. Can we make it? How do these motovloggers do it? I don't have anything to talk about. Wow, look at the trees. They're kind of losing their leaves. Aww. Alright, let's try it again with the visor open. Visor open. Can you hear the bike? Can you hear me talk with the visor open? Do I need to shout? Do I need to shout? Bow, 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 bow. Is that a dead rat? Alright, let's see if our protesters are here today. Should we give them a vroom vroom? Alright, here we go. The twisties, baby! Woo, she's windy. God damn. If you asked your mom what kind of motorcycle jacket she would want you to wear, it'd be this jacket and these gloves. Maximize your shopping power, Food Max. Okay, please don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. Thank you. Just saw me because I'm a highlighter.